This is Dave at Rousseau's RV in Lakeville, Massachusetts, looking at a brand new floor plan for 2024. This is a new mini floor plan, 2515S. The key feature in this floor plan is theater seat and dinette without a Murphy bed. Prior to this, if you wanted a couch and a dinette, you'd have to get a Murphy bed floor plan. But this is going to be your first opportunity to get into a 25-foot mini Lite with a theater seat, which can be swapped out for a hide bed if you'd like, but standard theater seat and a dinette that could seat 4. So you get both, and you get a separate bedroom without having to put the bed up and down every night. Some people don't like the Murphy bed. Well, here's your opportunity to get into a mini Lite without having a Murphy bed, with all the seating that you'd like. 5751 dry weight on this one, 25 foot 10 inches, and that is the total length from the tip of the hitch or the tongue to the back bumper. 2 slides. The front is a wardrobe slide in the bedroom, and then you have that main slide with the theater seat in it. 2 entry doors on this model, and the reason for the second door in the front, which goes into the bedroom, is so that you can still access the bathroom while the slides are in travel mode. So another critical thing a lot of people ask about, can I get to the bathroom with the slides in? We'll look at that later in the video, but with that second door, you absolutely can get past the bed, get into the bathroom. Back door right into the back kitchen, the rear kitchen, and then the seating right in the middle. Like a few other mini floor plans, this offers a massive pass-through storage compartment. Massive. Like, this is like a 5th wheel storage compartment. You don't often see this kind of space in a travel trailer, especially a 25-footer like this. See that aluminum in the construction there? Rockwood uses aluminum framing for dinettes, for bed frames. They do not use wood when weight is put on something. They know that it's going to have weight put on it. They're going to use aluminum. 6-sided aluminum frame, and that includes the roof, which is the most critical thing. A lot of brands out there do not do that. They use wood trusses. Rockwood uses aluminum. It is a one-piece roof, walkable roof. Get up there, clean it, check those seals, look for cracks. When the time comes, reseal them. That's the most important thing. Power stabilizers are still an option on the 2024 minis. Standard is the manual stabilizers, but a lot of people like these electric ones. Press a button, drops them down. If you want the manual ones, very easy to set up, 3/4 inch socket on a cordless drill. Your water hookups are right between the slides. Potable water fill on the bottom right, and then city water and your cable hookup or satellite right there. This unit, gray and sewer, are near the front. These are your outlets for the sewer. This is your main exit point for the black water and the gray water, but there is a galley tank on this model. There's a second gray tank because it is a rear kitchen with a sink in the back. That is the gray tank, the second gray tank, just for the kitchen sink. It's a separate tank, at least 30 gallons. I'll put it in the video to show you how big the tanks are. In addition to that massive front storage compartment, you do have this tall compartment in the slide room. It goes way up there. A lot of extra space. 30 amp plug goes right there. This unit we did order with slide toppers because if you've seen the videos, you know every single Rockwood we get with toppers. We think it's critical. I think everyone should have it. Makes a lot of sense protecting those slides. 6-gallon gas electric water heater. Standard ladder rated for 250 pounds. A mount for a backup camera. Spare tire is also standard on these. And a receiver rated for 300 pounds. Most commonly, you'd put a bike carrier there. You could also put a storage rack. More ride steps, of course. Both doors come with more ride steps. They don't get cheap. They don't put the other steps on one of the doors, on the door that's not the main door. They put them on both. And these are piston assist, so they're like one finger you could lift this step up, and the piston helps you bring it up, and very easy to adjust those legs as well. Spray ports on the 2024 models. no more outside showers, but it does have a spray port, and there's a shower setting on the nozzle. You can see the button for the stabilizers. Rear stabilizers for one button, and then there's a separate button for the front stabilizers. If you want to pause the video and just check this out, these are some of the key features that Rockwood has. We got a 5/8 inch plywood decking, not a laminate floor. It's going to hold up longer. It's going to be strong for years and years. It's not going to get soft spots. Already mentioned the aluminum roof, the 6-sided aluminum frame, and Goodyear tires with nitro fill from the factory. All right, let's get inside and check out what makes this special. All right, this is what you came here for. This 2515 theater seat on one side, dinette on the other side, and that dinette can seat 4 adults with no problem. Love the big window right at the dinette. And then with the theater seat, you sit down, and right across is your television, 32 inch 12 volt TV, smart TV on all the 2024s. Kitchen in the back. So if you're gonna find something that you might not like about this unit, something that's on the con column, it would probably be kitchen counter space. Not a ton of kitchen counter space here. If that is something that is a big deal for you, you're probably gonna look at another model, perhaps the 2517, another new floor plan. Tons and tons of counter space. I think about 10 feet of counter space. So something to check out. I also did a video on that last month, I believe. 11 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator and freezer. Microwave, of course, standard, and the big oven. All the Rockwood minis are going to come with this oven. A lot of other brands out there. It's a real tiny oven. Doesn't really fit much, but you can actually use this oven. 3-burner cooktop. The glass flips up, and an extra outlet, also charge for your phone right there. Speaking of phone charger, in between those theater seats, that is a charger for your phone. So you just place your phone right there, charges it up while you're sitting there watching a movie or TV show. Those recline. They no longer have the lumbar support feature. They're just recliners. Super comfortable. I think they're more comfortable than the previous models. So that's a nice trade-off. Side tables now, and these do move around. You can swivel them, you can take them out if you want, you can raise them, you can lower them. A lot of customization there with that table. And of course, there's a second one for the other side. All these windows in the slide do open. You have an exit window that opens up, and that side window opens straight up. You don't want a window that opens that way in a slide room, because you don't want to forget about it and crush the window. So they just open straight up. Dinette the table does drop down, and the cushions go on top of it to make another bed. So you could, as the unit is equipped, you could probably sleep about 3 people in here. But you can swap out the theater seat for a hide-a-bed, and then you could sleep about 5 people in this floor plan. The bathroom is in the middle, so you have to walk through the bathroom. If you're coming in from this way, you got to walk through the walk through the bathroom to get to the bedroom, or you can just walk into that separate entrance door into the bedroom. Nice big shower. Love that rectangle shower in some of these floor plans. It's the biggest one that they offer. Standard max air fan with the cover. We also ordered this one, and we order most of our mini lights with a second max air fan. We just think it makes sense. If you don't want to turn the AC on, just turn the fans on. Moves a ton of air. The bed in here is a 60 by 74 inch. So for most people, that's going to be plenty. Some tall folks probably want to look at a floor plan with a true queen, 60 by 80, but 60 by 74 should accommodate most. Automotive grade windshield is standard on all the Rockwood mini lights. And the wardrobe slide in the bedroom gives you a lot more space. Gives you shelving and also more room to hang your clothes, which we will check out in a moment. And there's that entry door right there. Now with the steps in, it is kind of tough to get over to that side, but when you're using the camper, you certainly can get in easily and around the bed. Porcelain toilet with plenty of leg room. And a bathroom sink with some counter space around the border. We'll check out storage briefly. When it comes to storage in a 25-foot travel trailer, get it wherever you can. Over the dinette, you got a small storage cabinet. Probably goes in about 10 inches or a foot. Same thing on the other side of the television. And then at one of the dinette seats, there is that drawer that comes out pretty far. Nice deep drawer. Two very roomy drawers under the sink, as well as a double wide plastic holder for sponges and soap and things of that sort. Under the oven, that is a just kidding drawer, cabinet. It on the other side is a wood panel. I think the water heater is behind there. Pretty sure that's why that's a just kidding drawer. And next to the microwave, nice, actually pretty roomy cabinet. In the slide room, this can either be wardrobe space if you do need more room for your clothes, or you can use it as a pantry. Those do come out if need be. And above the theater seat, that is one space, 3 cabinet doors, but 1 open space up there. In the bathroom, I was actually surprised to see there's a large, this could be a pantry. So you might actually put your pantry in the bathroom, I don't know. But whatever you want to put here, these are deep cabinets, 3 levels. Of course, your medicine cabinet. And under the bathroom sink, there's a little bit of storage there as well. And a just kidding cabinet door there with a panel right behind it. So under the bed, this is what you'd find. Any non-Murphy bed mini Lite floor plan is going to have this kind of storage space here. I think soft things would go great here. And there's 3 drawers under there, and they all open the same length, the same size as that middle one. In addition, above the bed, that's all one space as well, with 5 doors that open up. And the wardrobe slide, they call it a wardrobe slide because it's a wardrobe. You can hang your clothes on either side there. And more shelving. So you have quite a bit of storage in this model when you take it all together. Oh, I should also mention there is another drawer next to the bed there. And some outlets. Regular outlets, and then a USB port as well. So as mentioned earlier, with the slide in, you definitely cannot access the bathroom from the back door, from the main entry door. But you can get to the bed from the front door and the bathroom. You can also sleep in that bed, and if need be, you could turn this into a bed if you have another person you need to sleep right there. In travel mode, you can do all that. You also have access to the fridge, which is right behind me. You can open that door. I just want to say a few extra things. Go outside the camper, just what makes a Rockwood Mini Lite the best in its class. So what's so great about a Rockwood Mini in 2024? 6-sided aluminum frame, walkable roof, Asdel inside and out. They don't just do one side, they do both, inside and out. Asdel does not rot if it gets wet, it does not respond to water, it's lighter and more soundproof than Luan. Dexter Torflex torsion axles makes for a much smoother ride than leaf springs. Most RV manufacturers out there use leaf springs. Airstream, Rockwood, they use Dexter Torsion Torflex axles. 10-year guarantee on those, 10-year warranty. Goodyear tires standard. All aluminum in the framing, bed frames, dinette frames. The front cap is vacuum bonded. So all the walls vacuum bonded. The roof vacuum bonded, which means less likely to separate, less likely to leak, better insulated than most on the market. Insulated cover. The underbelly is covered, which is going to make not only better insulation, but also a better towing experience. So with the rounded front, the 2 axles, the Dexter Torsion Torflex axles, this is going to be an excellent towing camper. It's not going to be bouncing all over the place on the road, which means the stuff inside is not going to get knocked all over, and it's going to mean your towing experience is going to be better because you're not white knuckling it because the camper's bouncing all over the place. Less sway overall. Rockwood does a lot of little things really well. We're proud to carry them. We're actually one of the oldest Rockwood dealers in the country. We're proud they stand behind us. We're a small dealer, but boy, pretty much everything we sell is Rockwood, and we love them. Our customers love them. So if you have any questions, I put my email link in the description. This unit is in stock currently as the making of this video. We're always going to get more. 2 months or so if you did want to order one, customize. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.